Surat Al-Infitar, the Cleaving. It revealed in Makkah city. It has 19 verses. Part number 30, Surah number 82. I seek refuge with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala from accursed shaitan devil in the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. When the heaven shall be cleft asunder, and when the stars shall be fallen and scattered, and when the seas shall be burst forth, and when the graves shall be turned upside down and bring out their contents, then a person will know what he has sent forward and what he has left behind of good or bad deeds. O man, what has made you care less about your Lord, the most generous, who created you, fashioned you perfectly, and gave you due proportion in whatever from he willed he would you together? Nay, but you deny Ad-Din, the day of recompense. But verily over you are appointed angels in charge of mankind to watch you, Kiraman, honorable, Katibin, writing down your deeds. They know all that you do. Verily, al-birr, the pious believers of Islamic monotheism, will be in delight paradise. And verily, al-fujjar, the wicked disbelievers, polytheists, sinners, and evildoers, will be in the blazing fire hell. Therein they will enter and taste its burning flame on the day of recompense, and they al-fujjar will not be absent therefrom. And what will make you know what the day of recompense is? Again, what will make you know what the day of recompense is? It will be the day when no person shall have power to do anything for another, and the decision that day will be wholly with Allah.